How to draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Huggy Wuggy, we're going to begin by making a W-like shape that is slightly curved. This will be the top of the mouth. Underneath the shape that we just drew, we're going to use a curved line to connect from left to right. This will make it appear as if the mouth is open. Great start! Now let's outline everything that we just drew. Next, we're going to draw the teeth on the inside of the mouth by using sharp triangle shapes. Do you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video? If so, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now above the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. We're going to begin on the left-hand side by making a big circle. On the inside of the circle, we're going to draw a smaller circle, which will be the pupil. A little to the right, you're going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the left-hand side. Above each eye, we're going to draw an eyebrow by using a simple small line. Now we want to enclose the eyes as well as the eyebrows. We want to begin on the left-hand side, and we're going to go all the way over to the right-hand side, and we're going to have a lot of sharp edges as well as spiky edges. Now right below the mouth and in the center, we're going to begin to draw the bow that is supposed to be around the neck of Huggy Wuggy. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you need to if you have any issues at all. Down below, we're going to draw a small line going from left to right. This will help separate the two legs. Now on the right hand side, we're going to begin to draw the first arm as well as hand. The arm will be fairly skinny and it will have a lot of sharp edges because it will appear as if it is slightly furry. Well done. Right below, let's go ahead and draw the hand. Let's move over to the left-hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. Now for the last step, we'll draw the legs. The legs will have the same texture as the arms, and we will begin on the right hand side. Now let's go a little bit below and draw the foot. Nicely done. Now last but not least, on the left hand side, we'll draw the leg as well as foot. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Huggy Wuggy. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. And don't forget to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. And I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.